Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife. It's nice to meet you. Today I have a really exciting video. I have a really beautiful necklace to show you in a beautiful gift box. I'm going to tell you all about that in a few minutes, and I'm also going to be decluttering my skincare drawer. In this video, my skincare drawer, like, I haven't done it in ages. I'll give you a sneak peek in a few minutes. But it is literally so bad. But before we get into the mess and the chaos of that, I'm going to show you this really beautiful gift box that I received in the post a couple of weeks ago. This is my current setup of my makeup and kind of like my storage and my skincare drawer. This right here is my skincare drawer. It's literally chaotic. I do have little tiny organizers in here, but there's so much stuff that you can barely even see it. So I'm going to be decluttering this today. Before I get into all that madness, I'm going to be showing you the nice part of this video. I got this gorgeous gift box and necklace. It's absolutely so good. It's so really good quality. It's velvet in here. I'm not sure if you can see the texture. And it's beautiful. I actually can't believe that someone reached out and wanted to collab with me. But this gift box is really good material. It's a very hard cardboard material. So as you can see, I have gone onto the website. The website is Gift Boxes Factory. They do all different types of gift boxes. Chocolate boxes, some nice ones for birthdays, Valentine's Day, really nice gift boxes. As you can see, they come in love heart shapes and everything. They also do jewelry boxes for different types of jewelry, such as like earrings, necklaces, rings. You can see the list of products here, so food packaging, gift boxes, beauty boxes, clothing boxes, jewelry boxes, and as I click into jewelry box, we can have watch boxes, ring, necklace boxes, earring boxes. So these are some of the necklace boxes. Really nice. This is one of them that I got today that I'm showing you in this video. But if you want, I will have the link to the website in the description below, so you can get some gift boxes for you or some for your family. So now it's time to get started into this absolute chaos. I'm gonna first go through kind of like what I definitely think has gone off or that I just don't use. So first of all, I have this little bag here and it's literally full of little samples. I'm not sure if you can see them, but I am gonna go through these and I think I'm gonna keep this little bag just for the kind of samples and stuff like that. But I literally have so much, it literally goes right back. So this product here is, I've actually never tried it. It's a brand new cleanser. I haven't even tried it, so I can't even like give you a review on it yet, but I'm definitely keeping that. Some of you may not know, but I actually am allergic to a lot of fake tans, and the only one that doesn't send me crazy is this Dove Visible Glow kind of like gradual tanner, so I'm definitely keeping this. This is kind of a new one. The products that I use on a daily basis would be this Nivea moisturizer. It's just one with SPF in it. I use this cleanser, it's literally almost gone. And my toner that I use is the Pixie Glow Tonic. So I only have a bit of that left, but I'll definitely be keeping that. This one here is kind of a travel size. It's a really good one as well. And I'll be keeping that as well. One of my new collection ones is this Pro Collagen Marine Essence Moisture. This is brand new, so I'm definitely keeping that one. Comes in a really nice glass bottle as well. This is kind of a hit or miss. So this is the Tea Tree Water Toner Water from Lush. It has a tiny bit left, and it actually, I would say that it's gone off, so I'm going to be getting rid of this one. The next few products here is just some cotton pads, because I just threw my other one, threw the big packet out because it was gone. But these few products here are kind of samples again. so I'm going to be going through those in a minute. And these products here are some Lush products. So we have the Mask of Magnanimity. I can never say that, but that's almost gone, and it's definitely really old, so I'm going to get rid of that. This one here is the Beauty Sleep Mask, really old, gonna be getting rid of that. And then I have the Sleepy Lotion, and I find my skin a little bit sensitive to this. It's also very old, so I'm gonna be getting rid of those. These black pots are really good for Lush if you're not aware of Lush, but you can actually wash them and return them. And for 5 black products that you return, you can get a free fresh face mask. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with all 3 of these. So obviously this definitely needs a clean out and stuff, but I'm just going to take these little things out here. This is a little sample from Yonka. And this one here is, it's kind of hard to focus, but it is the Tea Tree Spot Wand. To be honest, I don't really suffer with acne as much, so I think I'm going to get rid of this. So that is one compartment all done, so that was nice and quick and easy. This next product is kind of like my treat products, and these ones are like bigger or awkwarder. So I'm going to start off by doing this one. The first product that I'm going to be getting rid of is this green tea mask. It is quite old. I bought it for the purpose of a YouTube video, but I never got around to it. So let me know if you want to see kind of like me testing this out and stuff. This was kind of the TikTok trend for a while. The next product that I'm going to be keeping is this Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub. This is one of my recent Lush orders, and I've been really enjoying this, even though it's going to take me forever to use this. The next few products I have in here are kind of little samples, so I'm going to take them out and go through them with my samples. I've just removed all my kind of sample things, so now I'm going to go through my hair oil. So this is the Aussie 3 Hair Miracle. There's a tiny bit left, but this is genuinely so old, so I'm going to get rid of this one. The next product that I have is the Elemis, the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is a little sample size, perfect for travel. It's actually brand new, I never opened it, so I'm going to keep this. The next product that I have is this Pixie Overnight Glow Serum. So this is, I've actually used this, I did enjoy it. It did make your skin very oily, and it came in a very cool bottle, so I kept it in here, but I'm going to be getting rid of this because it's quite old. The next product that I'm going to get rid of, I'm going to get rid of these 2. So this one is literally just my cleanser, but it's in a travel bottle, and I'm pretty sure it's from my old cleanser, so it's definitely really old. And then this one here is just a mask, and it's in a stick version. It's actually in Dutch because I got it when I was on holidays, so I'm going to get rid of this because it's so old. The next few products that I have, this one is, it's in Dutch as well, I believe. Or, yeah, but it's a skin booster. I'm going to get rid of this one. And I'm also going to get rid of this one. So this is a Yonka Paris, and it's a professional size lip and eye cream. Really old, definitely going to get rid of that one. Next product that I have is Elemis Tester Micellar Water. This is brand new, never opened, so I'm definitely going to keep that one. The next product I have here is a simple clay mask. This is definitely really old. It's actually full. I might give it a go to see how it gets on, but if it's bad, I'm going to throw it away because I'm not sure how long I've had this for. The next two products are quite new. Like this one here is unopened. This one here I got for free. It's unopened. This one here is quite old. This is the Shine So Bright kind of for split ends. I didn't really enjoy this at all. It comes in a tiny pot. It's quite expensive and it's just an awkward formula to put on, so I'm going to get rid of that. These little products here this is the No Dry Shampoo from Lush. I love that. I'm going to keep it. This has a tiny bit, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a sleep pillow spray. I love that. I'm going to keep it. It's quite expensive. And this is one of my singular pore strips that are left over, so I'm going to keep that as well. That is 2 trays done, which I'm very happy about. I have a few masks here, and then I have this drawer here. So I'm going to pull these products out here for a minute. So I've just pulled out all the remaining products from in here into here. So these are my sheet masks and stuff, and these are my remaining products. So I'm quickly going to run through those. This one here is the Yonka Nutri Defense Cream. I'll focus that so you can see it. This is a professional product when I worked at a salon years ago. It's really, really old. Any of this Yonka stuff is old, so I'm going to get rid of it. This is a moisturizer that is completely unopened, so I'm going to be keeping this. I haven't tested it out yet though. This is a product that I'm allergic to. It's full size, but I'm going to get rid of it because I have never used it and it's getting quite old. This is a Luna hair mask. I actually really enjoy this, so there's a bit left, so I'm going to keep it. These 2 products here, the Sosumi Facial Mist, and then this Yonka product, but I'm going to get rid of both these. I have 2 more of these Yonka products. This Yonka one right here is the lotion, and it was really good, but it's definitely really old. And this Yonka product is a moisturizer, definitely really old, gonna get rid of it. The last 2 remaining products, this is a sample size of a Child's Farm moisturizer. Brand new, never opened, so I'm gonna keep this. And then this one is the Nutrivia Soft Moisturizer. This is brand new, I'm gonna keep this. So now going through the sheet masks, I found this squished up at the back. It's completely crumbled, but it's the Dream Steam Steamer Tab. I absolutely love this, especially if you're just before you're going to do blackheads. It's really, really good. You just drop it into hot water and then put your face over the bowl, and it is a good steamer. The next 2 masks that I have here are 2 image ones. These are so old. When I first got these were so expensive. I think these were like around €30 per mask. And I wanted to save them for a really good treat day, and the day never came and I forgot about them, and now I have to dump both of them, which is very, very sad. This one here is a brand new hand mask. It's called Rosy Hands, by a brand that I've never heard of before. I'm not sure how you even pronounce that, but I'm excited to use that. These ones here are under eye patches, so I'm going to keep these because I've never used them. I have a packet here of charcoal nose strips, and I'm going to put that other nose strip that I had in here and use them up as well. The next product that I have is a foot moisturizing. I'm pretty sure this one is one that makes your feet peel, which I love, and I think it was only like €4. And I really, really enjoy these foot masks. Next product I have is this bubble sheet mask. This is a gift I got from my sister, so it's in Dutch, but it is a charcoal bubble mask. I'm going to keep this one. This is a sponge, and I haven't opened it. I haven't really needed it. It came in a set with that other thing that came from this brand, so I'm going to use this as well. And this is another foot mask from the same brand, and it is Instant Pedicure. I can't wait to use this as well, so I'm going to be keeping this. This is Face Wax Deep Cleansing Strawberry Mud Mask. Really, really old. I bought it, I think, for a holiday. I brought it away with me, and I brought it back again. I didn't think it was quite good, but it is quite old, so I'm going to get rid of this. And last but not least, I have the Carter Beauty Revitalize Retinol and Collagen Sheet Mask. This is brand new. I haven't tried out any facial products from Carter Beauty, like skincare products, so I'm really excited to try this one out. So my cupboard is completely clear now. I'm going to wash these, and I'm going to organize everything and put them all back, and I will show you the finished result. So I've put everything back. These are my daily products. These are kind of random masks, extra cleansers, the dry shampoo and stuff. This is the sheet mask and the hair mask, and this is extra products, that I haven't opened, and then I just have my pore strips on top to remind me to use them. So this looks so much cleaner. Like I have literally so much space. But over here I have my samples, and I've done them in categories of little LMS ones, dermalogical ones, Voya ones. This is just a random one that I have. Yonka ones, image ones, LMS, new style products, new style packaging, and old style packaging. So some of these are really old, so all of these LMS ones are actually very new, and all of these so these ones here are actually very new to me, and these LMS products in the new packaging are very new to me, and then these ones are semi-new. Whereas the Dermalogica, the Voya, this one is quite old, and these ones are literally ancient. I do really love the little bag that they all come in, so I'm going to keep them in here. But basically I'm going to keep all of these ones and all of these ones. I'm going to keep these two ones here because one's almost gone and I use it very regularly. But this one is quite old, so I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to get rid of these image ones, and I'm going to get rid of this one and this one just because they're so old. And I'm going to get rid of these Yonka products as well. And then for this one, this is like a hyaluronic acid glow. I'm not sure when I got it or where I got it, so I'm gonna get rid of this one as well. So this is my get rid of pile, and then all the LMS ones I'm keeping, and I'm gonna put them in the cute little Yonka bag. A lot of these little bigger size LMS ones were doubles, so I've put in the spares in here, and these ones here I've been using, so I'm gonna keep these in my regular use ones and pop this into the side. I actually can't get over how neat this looks now, so I'm just going to pop this in upside down so it fits nicely there. And then these regular ones, I'm just going to pop them down here with this lovely LMS marine cleanser. So this is literally all my kind of regular use, my spares, and then mask, samples, and then extras. So I think this is like a gigantic improvement, and I'm so happy with this. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I really needed to do that for months and months, so I'm so happy that I finally got around to doing it. But thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the brand who sent me the gift box and the necklace. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you soon with a brand new video.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam.